Hey guys, last video of the evening, hopefully, maybe. And that's this brass padlock here, the EMDK brand. It's a Chinese lock, you can see it here, you can also see it by the keyway. But for Chinese lock it's very well executed. The edges are smooth, so not that sharp, keys are not bad. Bidding as well, very heavy spring tension, and in general it's not that bad lock. It was gifted to me by Potti314 from Germany. Potti, thank you very much for the lock, I really appreciate it. He had some fun time picking it on video, and to be quite honest, the first time I also opened it quite easy. But with every time it became harder and harder. So let's see if it will give us a chance to be picked on camera. So pin 1 picked, pin 2 is, this is not serration, this is just a pin that is creeping along the chamber. And once again, okay, and now we get even a false set. So pin number 3 now, nothing. Okay, let's start from the front. 1 is set, 2 either springy or set, 3 nothing, or maybe a little bit, okay, but now 1 and 2 dropped, so 1 is picked, 2 maybe, 3, I got my false set back, that was 4, and I think maybe I overset him, 2, 1, 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, let's have a look on 5, that sounds like an overset, or definitely. So I released a little bit of the tension. I am tensioning it from the bottom, otherwise my pick slips a lot. Something is definitely still overset, so 1, 2, come on, 2, okay, 1 is still picked, 2 is picked, 3, this is unnerving, okay, got my false set back, let's see, 4, now it comes to the time that nobody knows which is the next one, because this pull is actually a bugger. Looks like number 1 actually, but I highly doubt it. I'll leave it for the moment. Let's see if the pins on the back, maybe. Okay. It said something, but while doing so I dropped a lot of the pins. So 1 now is set again, 2 seems to be set, camera is focusing, 4, One, two, 3, 4, 5, and open. Okay, finally. Phew. Interesting lock. So if I if I move the pins when they're without any tension, they're really smooth, but once you start picking them, there is one spool, I guess, on number 3, and it actually, with the strong spring tension, it can mess with your feelings. So Potti, thank you very much for the lock, I really appreciate it. And guys, thanks for watching, and we'll be seeing you in the next video. Cheers.